Good morning, friends. Welcome back again to the garden with me, Eve. I did those hydrangeas, guys, was on those small pots right here. And then since those hydrangeas was a little bit big, I put them on those pots I get. And then since even I put them on those pots right here, and then they became too tall because I couldn't see the camera light. But that's what I decided to make those one, and I really like those arrangements. It's I make them with three different flowers. It's my favorite flowers, which is I forget it about it, and that bleeding heart, and it's a fern I get from that land where I have my plant. But begonia, yes, those are some begonia, and with the bleeding hearts and with some fern. I think it's really nice, and I got three of them. I make four of them, and those hydrangeas, guys, need to be cleaning out because the blooms are past. I did enjoy them for a good while. Look at how beautiful they are. I did enjoy them so much, but it is what it is now. I need to clean them out and replace them with some little pots. And I was even thinking for me to make some annual to get some annual flowers. Um, Maybe I need to put my hands up on those little things a little bit better. But yes, let me show you guys the other three more I make. They right here. I get those three with ferns and one without no fern, just the begonia and the bleeding heart only. I like it. Look at this leaves. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let me go put them where they belong, and after that I will showing you guys maybe in another video, because I'm going to change those hydrangeas I purchased from 1 gallon and add them to 7 gallon. That's my goal for right now, and see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribing yet, please subscribe. Have a blessed day. I love you all. Do not watch those mess, guys, because I'm still working on the garden. Thank you, friends.